Hello, chefs. It is pretzel time. All right. First and very, very, very important step of this process is to proof the yeast. It is the leavening agent, and believe me or not, the yeast is alive. You heard me right. They are microorganisms that eat the sugar that is in the flours and in our ingredients, and they burp out some gas called carbon dioxide and make our dough puff up and rise. What I want you to do is reach into your kit and get an envelope that says Bubble Buddy, because it will bubble up. You will need a measuring cup. I would get a fork or a whisk, and we're gonna need a half a cup of warm water. I'm gonna get my water, and I'm gonna measure a half a cup. So important step. Please try to be precise with your measurement because it's gonna affect the dough later on. So I'm gonna be careful here and put a half a cup. Look, beautiful. And from here, I get my envelope. After we add, we wanna give it a stir so it will dissolve, okay? I also have a little bit of sugar in that envelope to help them eat. This cup right now needs to be in a warm place, so they are kind of working. If you don't have a warm corner in your kitchen today that has some sunshine, you can just put this inside the oven with the oven off. The only thing you need to do is turn on the light. And it needs to be there for about 5 to 10 minutes or until you see this layer of bubbles. It's gonna look kind of creamy, and it's called a raft. So I'm going to putting this in my oven. And while that's happening, let's set up for the next step.